Welcome to Line Table Screen Printing by Julie Philippines. I'm Jin from Julie. Today we want to share our plan for single Platen line table press. Download link of this SketchUp file is in the description. You can also download just one PDF file with dimensions. This is how it looks. This press is for one Platen. We recommend you to use a Platen bracket so that you can install different sizes of Platens if you want to. This is made with metal angle bars and metal rectangle tubes. This is a heavy-duty press that can be used for thick plastisol inks. Even though it's heavy, this press can be portable. Here are the dimensions of all the parts. Metal parts that you need are 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch angle bars, total 10 feet. 2 inch by 2 inch angle bars, total 18 inches. 1 inch by 3 inch rectangle tubes, total 30 inches. We recommend welding to join the metal parts. This press is for tabletop use. Please use a strong table to put this press on. We recommend using bolts and nuts to fix the press on the table. This press is small enough to fit almost anywhere. And it can be easily expanded by adding more units. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give us thumbs up, share the video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.